Salutations, welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Cypher's channel. Today we have the brand new Jurassic World Legacy Collection, the electronic real feel reimagined Indominus Rex. We will compare to the Dino Trackers Indominus, the one with the damage. This is a Walmart exclusive. You push this button, it turns into like, see some damage there, goes away. Okay, so we're gonna check this out. Sephiroth already opened it up. There you go. Brand new color. It's also a brand new sculpt. Okay, guys, let's check the box. There you have it. And there's the rest of the Reimagine. We already have the Atrociraptor. We're not getting the Carnotaurus, like I said. Alright, so let's put this here. Alright, so it's a brand new sculpt. There seems to be some downgrades on this Indominus. The only improved here is probably for me, the color. It is a red Indominus now. This ones are new. The quills on the arms are new because the older Indominus, they also have it, but that's what they look like. They don't stick out. They're just like part of the arm, but this one at least they're not. Also, this older one seems to be harder. The arms are really hard plastic, and now they went really soft. It's like really rubberized now. See how soft that is? They're so soft. And then the body, right, it's really rubber now. You push the back. Where's that? Wow. There you go. The sound. The mouth does not all open automatically anymore. You have to open it manually. There you go. And then you can see it. There's a hole in the mouth. You put all the tiny dinosaurs or any stuff there. It comes out from the belly like the red Tyrannosaurus. There's the stomach part. You can bring them out there. And there's the DNA scan. Okay, guys. The claw, the nails on the feet part are also nice. It won't get any scratches anymore because it's actually not part of the feet. It's just totally separated now. But what else? The tail is really soft. You can move it like that. See that? I mean, the rubber is probably just a wire inside. What else? And the arms, it's this whole part right here is all rubber, all soft. You can see that. You can take it off, I believe. The neck cannot be moved. You cannot move at all. There's no articulation on the neck. There you have it. The teeth way better too. You can see it is a totally different layer now compared to the older one. Look at that. See the difference? More teeth. This one has a few. The older one. However, this thing is bigger though. The Dino Escape is way bigger than this Legacy Collection. Bigger head as well. Look at that. Okay, guys. And of course, they forgot to paint the dew claw again. They didn't paint it for some reason. Yeah, that's pretty much it. There's no battle damage or anything whatsoever of this Indominus. But at least the quills and the arms are a nice touch. Right there. It's like an Indoraptor now. There you go. You just push this button. It has a soft belly part right there. Still looks terrifying. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this thing. I'll just give this like an epic instead of legendary status, you know, like a rarity. This is just like an epic for me. It doesn't feel like a legendary anymore. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Also, happy Father's Day to everyone there. You guys have a good one now. And yeah, thank you again. Don't forget to subscribe and like, guys. Thank you. Have a good one.